MeghalayaPost.news.
State Election Committee jongka National People's Party NPP ne kasi kalamanjoria ka thup kerteng banikong first list jongki kyrtong ki bani khun ha ke election MDC jongka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC ka thup kerteng jongki kyrtong ha ke election MDC Shah GHADC ka kenthup Nasiju constituency Kalis G Momin Wagisik Jewil S Marang Gaswa Para Sangchim N Sangma Barenga Para Kapilson A Sangma Babela Para Rakesh A Sangma Among Para Balsrang Areng Tura Charming Star N Sangma Dengnak Para Credit Son CH Marang Nogor Para Linikar K Sangma Zigzag Sanjay A Sangma Beta Singh Sanjay Coach Rochan Para Arbin Stone B Marang Asananak Anseng A Sangma Balachanda Andre CH Marang Batabari Maxwell M Sangma Shyamnagar Peter Job A Sangma Jengjal Graham Bell A Sangma Rongrong Sonny Rogers G Momin Bolsong Pongseng R Sangma Damas Doli K Sangma Kharkuta Modi M Sangma Samandagre Nihim D Shira Darugre Henen R Sangma Bana William Nagar constituency Usang Bat R Marang. Ya kanila penbenado Menteri Surkar Baderu spokesperson ke NPP Marcus N Marang berulong bahakisngi banwan ke parti kan penbena saya kisan ki kerteng jongki kertong ki badaksa. Abakran skila tatai kubor Marcus Ulayatu baka parti da jingsim kia kalarai banam ai tiket to Chief Executive Member CEM ke GHADC Walbinush R Marang.
This is specially regarding the GHADC elections to be held early part of this year. From the NPP party, today the State Committee has approved the first list of candidates that have been sent from the Regional Committee, which has been thoroughly examined based on the winnability, loyalty, integrity, and past political experiences. And from different sources we have taken the report, and based on that the regional committee has decided and recommended to the state committee. And today the state committee under the leadership of Sir Preston Song, who is also the state president of NPP Meghalaya State Unit, has approved the list of candidates sent by the regional committee. So therefore I will name out the name of the candidates against their constituency number. I'll name out from number one, that is accordingly, they are number one. Number one, CEM constituency. After thorough discussions and different rounds of meetings, we have come to the conclusion to consider the candidature of Sri Kalis G Moman. To Wagisik, same for this constituency also, we have decided to fill Sri Jewil S Mara as NPP candidate. Fifth, Gaswapara, Sri Sengchum N Sangma. 6. Barengapara, Sri Kapilson A Sangma. 7. Babelapara, Sri Rakesh A Sangma. 8. Amongpara, Sri Balsrang Areng. 9. Tura, Sri Charming Star N Sangma. 10. Dengnakpara, Sri Creditson CH Mara. 12. Nogorpara, Sri Lainekar K Sangma. 13. Zigzag, Sri Sanjay A Sangma. 14. Beta Singh, Sri Sanjay Coach. 15. Rochonpara, Sri Arbinston B Mara. 16. Asanang, Sri Anseng A Sangma. 17. Balachanda, Sri Andres CH Mara. 18. Batabari, Sri Maxwell M Sangma. 19. Shyamnagar, Sri Peter Job A Sangma. 22. Jenjal, Sri Graham Bell A Sangma. 23. Rongrong, Sri Sunny Rogers G Moman. 24. Bolsong, Sri Pongseng R Mara. 25. Damas, Sri Doli K Sangma. 26. Kharkuta, Sri Modi M Sangma. 27. Samandagri, Sri Nihim D Shira. 28. Darugri, Sri Henen R Sangma. 29. William Nagar, Sri Singbat R Mara. So these are the candidates in the first list. 24 number of candidate has been finalized. Rest, only 5 constituencies are left, which will be decided very soon and will be declared accordingly. Total, I have not counted. There are lots of candidates applied for NPP ticket. In some of the constituencies, around seven is the largest number of candidates who have applied for the party tickets in different constituencies. Minimum is 2-3. So it was very difficult on our part also to reject anybody from the list. So that is why we have taken so much of time. We have been meeting the candidates one-on-one. This has been done by National President himself, Mr. Conrad Kesama, who is also National President, and also our senior leaders and myself. We have been meeting all these applicants, those candidates who are seeking party ticket. So we have been meeting them, we have been consulting them so that we get their support, we get their cooperation also in the forthcoming elections. With great difficulty, one more thing I wanted to inform you. We have denied ticket to the sitting CEM who was representing Siju constituencies. It was with great difficulty we have come to this decision because question of winnability is also there. So therefore, we have denied him the ticket. But we are requesting his cooperation with party's decision. Constituencies which is pending for finalization of the candidates, those are Raksamgri, Nagwapara, Boldamgri, Silkigri, Rongrikamgri. These 5 constituencies are the one which will be decided in the last phase of the election committee meeting. Yes, there are 29 constituencies will be contesting from all the 29 constituencies. Well, sitting MDCs are like sitting Singchum, who is also the MLA of Chokpot constituency. He is also the sitting MDC. Babelapara, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma is a sitting MDC. Nogorpara, Sri Lainikar K. Sangma is a sitting MDC. Beta Singh, Sri Sanjay Koch is also the sitting MDC. Rochonpara, Sri Arbiston B. Marak, who is also MLA of Selsela constituency, is also the sitting MDC there. Janjal, Grahambel A. Sangma is also sitting MDC. Darugri, Sri Henan R. Sangma is also a sitting MDC. Asanam, Amsing A. Sangma is also a sitting MDC. Yes, on the ground, our party is on the job. Our party leaders are already started campaigning in a small way, village to village. All the campaign have already started. And this particular candidates whom we have declared today, they're also already on the field right from November, December, and before that also. Some of them are sitting, so preparation is already there.
MeghalayaPost.news